If you're looking for super easy vegetables to grow with a relatively short time to harvest, consider the following options. Radish. It is crop of tropical and temperate region. It is a quick-growing annual or biannual herb. Its edible roots are having different color from white to red. West Bengal, Bihar, Uttar Pradesh, Karnataka, Punjab, and Assam are major radish-growing states. Radish is good source of vitamin B6, calcium, copper, magnesium, and riboflavin. Also, it is rich in ascorbic acid, folic acid, and potassium. After sowing, apply first irrigation. It will help in good germination. Depending upon soil type and climate, apply remaining irrigations at interval of 6 to 7 days in summer and 10 to 2 days interval in winter months. Overall, radish required 5 to 6 irrigations. Avoid excessive irrigation as it will lead to misshape of roots and numerous hair growth. In summer season, provide pre-harvest light irrigation. It will keep root fresh and reduce pungency. Depending upon variety, radish is ready for harvesting in 25-60 days after sowing. Harvesting is done manually by uprooting plants. Harvested roots are washed and then graded upon size. Lettuce. Lettuce belongs to family of Asteraceae. It is also called as salad crops as it is consumed in uncooked form. Because of its diet and medicinal values, its demand is increasing rapidly. It is mostly grown for leaves purpose, but sometimes it is cultivated for seed and stem purpose. It is good source of vitamin K and chlorophyll. Among different types of lettuce, loose leaf is considered as best as it contains high amount of iron and vitamin A and C. China is a top producer of lettuce in world. Loose leaf type variety is harvested when they are fully developed or reach to marketable size. Tender leaves are cut regularly with interval of 1 week. At the end of March or at beginning of April, stop harvesting of leaves as plant attain milky stage. For seed purpose, complete harvesting in May month. Spinach. Time to harvest 30 to 45 days. Spinach is a cool season crop that grows well in the spring and fall. Baby spinach leaves can be harvested early for salads. Spinach is a leafy green flowering plant native to Central and Western Asia. It is of the order Caryophyllales, family Amaranthaceae, subfamily Chenopodioideae. Its leaves are a common edible vegetable consumed either fresh or after storage using preservation techniques by canning, freezing, or dehydration. Spinach plants take about 6 to 8 weeks to grow, but their roots are easily damaged, so be careful when harvesting. You can pick off or cut individual leaves or harvest the entire plant at once. If picking, remove the outer leaves from the plant every few weeks, allowing the inner leaves time to mature before plucking those as well. If you prefer to harvest the whole plant, cut the spinach plant by the base. Regardless of your preference, don't wait too long. The larger the leaves become, the more bitter they taste, so keep that in mind when harvesting spinach. Green onions, scallions. Time to harvest 30 to 40 days. Green onions are easy to grow from seeds or scraps. You can start harvesting them when they are around 6 inches tall. Bush beans. Time to harvest 50 to 60 days. Bush beans are quicker to mature than pole beans. They are relatively low maintenance and can be grown in containers or in the garden. Zucchini. Time to harvest 40 to 60 days. Zucchini plants are prolific producers. Once they start producing, you can harvest them when they are small for a more tender texture. Cucumbers. Time to harvest 50 to 60 days. Cucumbers are relatively easy to grow, and there are bush varieties that don't require vertical support. Harvest them when they are firm and have a bright color. Cherry tomatoes. Time to harvest 50 to 70 days. Cherry tomato plants are often more robust and disease-resistant than larger tomato varieties. They produce small, flavorful tomatoes and can be grown in containers. Carrots. Time to harvest 50 to 80 days. Carrots are easy to grow from seed and can be harvested at baby size for a quicker turnaround. Herbs. Time to harvest varies. Many herbs are quick to grow and can be harvested continually. Basil and cilantro, for example, are often ready for harvest in a few weeks. Remember that these are general timeframes, and actual growth times can vary based on factors like climate, soil conditions, and care. Additionally, choosing varieties that are well suited to your local climate can contribute to a more successful and speedy harvest. If you like the video, do subscribe our channel for more videos and hit the like button.